Hello children, in the last class discussed about things that can be float on water, and also you did some experiments, I think. Okay, things that means paper boat, wooden boat, iron ship, and such kind of things will float on water. When we add when we add salt, for example, take an egg and lemon experiments. When we add salt in a glass of water and put an egg in it, then what happened? Float on water. And also lemon. Is it right? Yes. So, and also discussed about Dead Sea. It is too salty. We didn't know how to swim in water. No one didn't thrown in water. Everyone float on water. Okay, is it right? I hope you understood. Have you understood? Yes. In this class, what is this lesson? Experiments with water. Okay. So in this class, experiments with water, in this lesson we discuss some other experiments. Okay, some other topics. What are the other topics? See here. What dissolved, what did not. Which things could dissolve in water, which cannot. Okay, here what happened? What things dissolved? So here take a glass of water and add some sugar. Okay, what happened? Definitely it dissolve in water. Okay, and another one, take a glass of water and add some salt and stir it well. Then what happened? Definitely it dissolved in water. Is it right or wrong? Yes, definitely it dissolve in water. Okay, but some things does not dissolve in water. For example, chalk powder. Okay, flour, rice flour, wheat flour. Okay, such type of things, iron waste, such kind of things does not dissolve in water. Is it right? Yes. So some things only completely dissolve in water. Some did not dissolve in water. See another one. Take a glass of water and add a drop of oil. See here, drop of oil. Then what happened? When we stir it well, it does not dissolve in water. Definitely it floats on water. Okay, this is the another example for you. Okay children, now see another one. See here what happened? Drops of water slide faster than the oil drops or sugar solution, since both oil and sugar solution are thicker than that of water and gets stuck to the box by making it difficult to slide. I hope you understood. Then what happened here? Ayesha put 2 drops of oil on the lid of her tiffin box. Next to that, she put 2 drops of water and 2 drops of sugar solution. She tilted the lid. Then what happened? Was it float? No. Only drops of water slide faster. That means it floats faster than sugar solution and oil drops. Why? Because sugar solution and oil are thicker than that of water. That's why they stick to the tiffin box. Okay, making it difficult to slide on tiffin box. Okay. Next, see what are these? What happened here? What's going on here? Huh? First one, tea kettle. Okay, here see, here tea kettle. This is the lid and this is the bowl. Then what happened? When we boil it, then what happened? Yes, some gas will come from the mouth of the kettle. Okay, see here, kettle, lid and bowl. When we boil it, then what happened? Some smoke like substance, that is called vapor, that is called gas, will come from the mouth of the kettle. Then what we have to do? When we put some lid, okay, when we obstruct the gas, then what happened here? The smoke will touch the lid. Here what happened? It's cooled down. Then the drops of water will going down to the beaker or bowl. Okay, so like this in our kitchen also happen. For example, when we go to kitchen, when we mother cooking rice, ఇంటి దగ్గర మమ్మీ రైస్ వండుతారు కదా, రైస్ వండేటప్పుడు కుక్కర్ పడతారా, కుక్కర్కి పైన విజిల్ తీసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? పైకి స్మోక్ వస్తుంది కదా, పొగలాగా బయటకు వస్తుందా? దానికి మనం ఏదైనా ఒక ప్లేట్ అడ్డుగా పెట్టామనుకోండి, దాని నుంచి కొంచెం కొంచెం వాటర్ డ్రాప్స్ క్రింద వస్తుందన్నమాట. ఓకే 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 then what happened? What is that? We will see in the next. Okay, see here, this is water cycle. This is water cycle. How it was happened? See here, what are these? Clouds, sun, oceans, soil, trees, mountains, groundwater. So what are these? Okay, I will explain you. One, see here, sun. In summer season, it is too hot now, it is burning condition. Okay, when the sun rays falls on water, then what happened? It gets evaporated. ఏమవుతుంది? ఆవిరి కింద బయటకు వస్తుంది అన్నమాట. అంటే కుక్కర్ విజిల్ నుంచి బయటకు వాటర్ వస్తుంది కదా, పొగలాగా వస్తుంది కదా, లైక్ దట్ వాటర్ డ్రాప్స్ evaporation. The water evaporated. Okay, so here the gas will stay in the nature, that is called clouds, mabbulu. After some time, when it cools down, then what happened? It was precipitated. ఈ ఆవిరి అంతా ఏమవుతుంది? కూల్ అయిన తర్వాత it will converted into small drops. It is small drops. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? మనకి వర్షాలు పడుతూ ఉంటాయి. మళ్ళీ వాటర్ ఏమవుతుంది? కిందకు వస్తుంది. వచ్చిన వాటర్ ఏమవుతుంది? మళ్ళీ మొక్కలు తీసుకుంటాయి, మౌంటైన్స్ గ్రౌండ్ వాటర్లోకి వెళ్తూ ఉంటుంది, ఓషన్స్ మళ్ళీ ఫిల్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద వన్. అండ్ అనదర్ వన్, ట్రాన్స్పిరేషన్. మరి ప్లాంట్స్ నుంచి కూడా మనకి చూడండి, లీవ్స్ తీసుకొని వింటర్ సీజన్లో మనం లీఫ్ని టచ్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? తడితడిగా అనిపిస్తుంది కదా, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ట్రాన్స్పిరేషన్. దట్ మీన్స్ ద ఎక్సెస్ వాటర్ విల్ ఎక్స్క్రీట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద స్టొమాటా. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ స్మాల్ పోర్స్. ఓకే, beneath the leaf. Okay, or underside the lower surface of the leaf. It excretes excess water into the atmosphere. That is called transpiration. So in these two ways we get clouds. When it gets precipitated, then we get water. Okay, are you understood? Yes. Next, see next one. What is this? Dandi March. Okay, so this incident took place in 1930. When was it happened? 1930. Before India became independent, for many years the British had made a law that did not allow people to make salt themselves. What is the law? People did not allow people to make salt themselves. ఎవ్వరూ కూడా సాల్ట్ని తయారు చేయకూడదు. దట్ ఈస్ ద లా ఇన్ బ్రిటిష్ స్టైల్. ఓకే, దే హ్యాడ్ ఆల్సో పుట్ ఏ హెవీ ట్యాక్స్ ఆన్ సాల్ట్. సాల్ట్ పైన కూడా ట్యాక్స్ వేశారట వాళ్ళు. Okay, by this law, people could not make salt even for use at home. దానికోసం ఏం చేశారు వాళ్ళు, ఇంట్లో కూడా సాల్ట్ని యూజ్ చేసేవారు కాదట. హౌ కెన్ ఎనీబడి లివ్ వితౌట్ సాల్ట్? ఓకే, ఫర్ దిస్ గాంధీజీ సెడ్, హౌ కెన్ a law not allow us to use freely what nature has given? Gandhiji with several other people went on a yatra, that is called long walk, from Ahmedabad to Dandi seashore. That's why it is called Dandi March. Okay, where it is? It is in Gujarat, to protest against this law. Okay, are you understood? Yes. Okay, do you know how salt is made? The sea water is collected in shallow beds dug in the sand. Water is allowed to dry in the sun. After the water dries, the salt remains on the ground. How can we make it salt? సీషోర్ దగ్గర చిన్న చిన్న షాలోస్ అంటే గుంతల కింద తీసి వాటికి చిన్న చిన్న మడుల కింద కడతారు. అందులో ఏం చేస్తారు? దే అలౌడ్ సీ వాటర్. ఓకే, ఆ సాల్ట్ వాటర్ని ఆ మడుల్లో ఉంచుతారు. ఏమవుతుంది అది? వెన్ ద సన్లైట్, వెన్ ఇట్ వాజ్ ఎక్స్పోజ్డ్ టు సన్లైట్, వాట్ హ్యాపెన్? ఆ వాటర్లో ఉండేటువంటి వాటర్ అంతా ఇవాపరేట్ అయిపోయి విల్ బికమ్ టు క్రిస్టల్స్. ఏమవుతుంది? సాల్ట్ క్రిస్టల్స్ కింద తయారవుతుంది. ఓకే ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, సో దట్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ దండి మార్చ్. I hope you understood about evaporation. So see here what happened in this. See here, from kettle. So the water, when we boil the water, it will convert it into gas or smoke or vapor. Okay. So here the water is liquid state, ice is solid state, but here the gas means smoke is gaseous state. Okay children, now see here, ocean, sun and soils, trees. Okay, so when the ocean water gets evaporated, then what happened? It will form like a cloud. When it precipitated, then we get the water again. Okay, that means here the water is in liquid state, it will convert it to gaseous state. This is called evaporation. Okay okay children, so like this in salt also, what happened here? So the liquid state, that means the conversion of water, the change of water into water vapor, that is called evaporation. Okay children, the change of water, that is liquid state to gaseous state, that is called evaporation. Are you understood children? I hope you understood this lesson. After this class, you have to read the textbook. Okay children, this is the homework to you. Okay amma, thank you.